Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this occasion we're gonna show how to make a piano using the ATmega 32HP used in Arduino Uno. For the project we use MPLABX with C language and some libraries to make the UR communication using 9600 baud rate. First we have the libraries as the UR.h, AVR interrupt and AVR-EO.h that allow the use of some necessary peripherals for communication and the control of the buzzer. There we have some macros to make faster the pin assignment and the variable tbeep that indicate the duration of the sound. Then in the main, we did some declaration of the pins as pin PV5, saying that pin 13 in Arduino Uno as an output, declare the timer 0 as a normal timer with first color in A, and set the CTC mode in the timer, use it for a PWM signal which we can control by the period. We start the UR communication and with a variable read the key from the PC. Depending on the key, we can reproduce a specific note of the music scale with the Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si. For the circuit, we will need an NPN transistor, a resistor, and a diode. At the base of the transistor, we have to connect the Arduino pin next to the resistor. At the collector, we connect the power supply next to the diode, and at the emitter, we put the ground. Parallel to the diode, we put the buzzer. To demonstrate the function of the project, I'm gonna play a song. First, this is the first scale of the music scale. The next scale is, and well, this is the song. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.